Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Dark blue color, dark blue color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat. The alphabets of C. And use sky blue color. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use sky blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. And use brown color. The alphabets of G. Kids again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use dark blue color. Kids again use dark blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw N. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use blue color. Sky blue color. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use sky blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use dark blue color. Dark blue color. Kids again use dark blue color and draw V. V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. It's neither Y. Y for yolk. The alphabets of Y. And use red color. Red color. Its last draw Z. Z for zebra. The alphabets of Z. Kids, today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.